Hello, my name is Belinda Love and I'm honoured to utilise my platform at Mrs Globe to support an incredible charity, Friends with Dignity, a charity dedicated to helping survivors of domestic violence rebuild their lives with dignity, safety and hope. Through my work as author and love coach, helping people navigate heartbreak, I have seen how powerful support and compassion can be in helping someone create a new beginning. This is why Friends with Dignity resonates so deeply with me. Their work provides practical support and hope to individuals and families escaping domestic violence. I believe every person deserves to feel safe, valued, and worthy of love. Through this platform, I hope to raise awareness, inspire change, and empower others to recognise their strength and believe in a brighter future. I would love it if you could support my journey as Mrs Australia Curvey at the Mrs Globe pageant in California, June 16 to 21st. Mwah!